Good morning, it's Tuesday, October the 26th, and you're watching AGORACOM Small Cap News TV. I'm your host, Paul Kandakos. AGORACOM TV is a daily, fast-paced show bringing you the best press releases along with the halts at the open so you can hopefully profit from them and potentially find your next great small cap investment. Folks, hopefully you had a chance to watch the game yesterday, Giants at Dallas. It was a great game. Came right down to the last seconds. Unfortunately, Dallas did not pull it off. Mind you, I was pulling for the Giants yesterday, but nonetheless, it was a great game, so hopefully you got a chance to watch. I know George was actually there in person watching the game in the new stadium. Now, with that being said, I've got three great press releases for you today. One out of the Canadian side, two out of the U.S. side, and I've got one halt to report on the second segment. So without any further ado, let's get down to business. Lead story comes out of a company called Teuton Resources. They trade on the TSX venture under the symbol TUO. The company is announcing results which were received for the remaining 14 holes of the 2010 program on the Clone property, which is located in British Columbia. We've got the highlight, which is hole number 7, which returned 2.5 meters, grading 67 grams per ton of gold. So great concentration there, not over a big intercept, but nonetheless, good concentration of gold, which means there's potential for more gold findings along those lines. Company is an exploration company focused on precious metals in British Columbia. Last at 30 cents, high of 56 cents, low of 15 cents, market cap of approximately $10 million. Now, south of the border, China ACM, they trade on the NASDAQ under the symbol CADC. They've been on this show a number of times announcing new contracts. Today is no exception. They're announcing today that they've been awarded a $3.5 million high-speed rail contract. They supply the ready-mix concrete and related technical services for companies which are located in China. Contract production and revenue recognition began in the first fiscal quarter, will begin in the first fiscal quarter of 2011, ended September 30th, and it's estimated for completion in the second quarter of fiscal year 2012. Companies last at 450, high of 775, low of 295, market cap of approximately $71 million. And finally, we've got China Security and Surveillance Technology, also on the NASDAQ under the symbol CSST. The company is an integrated surveillance and safety solutions provider in the People's Republic of China. And you know how much we love these Chinese companies. They typically have great revenues, great earnings. Today, they're announcing their third quarter results. Third quarter revenues increased 14% year over year to $182 million. Their net income attributable to the company increased by 24% year over year to $27 million. Their diluted earnings per share was approximately 31 cents. And finally, they announced that they've got a backlog which increased 94% sequentially to $412 million. So good problem to have. Backlog of $412 million. Companies last at 613. High of $9.04, low of $4.09, market cap of approximately $550 million. And finally, we're moving on to the halts. Klondex Mines trades on the TSX under the symbol KDX. They're halted pending news. That's a wrap for today's show. Thanks for joining us. I'm your host, Paul Kandakos. Make sure to join us again here tomorrow. We've got more great press releases and halts in the AM for you.